Amid the outrage and anger over irregularities in the NEET medical examination, the National Testing Agency has postponed the Joint Council of Scientific and Industrial Research University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test, the CSIR UGC NET for short. This examination was slated to take place from the 25th of June to the 27th. But due to unavoidable circumstances and logistical issues, the exams have been postponed until further dates have been announced. Now, this comes days after the Education Ministry cancelled the UGC NET examination after inputs from the National Anti-Cybercrime Agency that the exam had been compromised. We're crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi to get us more on this. Sabyasachi, tell us more about the reasons for cancelling this exam.
The government has said that because of unavoidable circumstances and because of logistic issue, they are cancelling this exam. As of now, continuously the Education Ministry is coming under sharp criticism, and it is not a good time for them because continuously the opposition parties have been breaking up their attack against the central government, against the NTA chief as well as the Education Minister. Yesterday as well, a major step has been taken by the government where they have finally notified the Public Examination Act, which got the assent by the President of India this February. Now, with this act finally coming into place, people who are responsible, who are involved in the malpractice of the NEET and NET examination, they can be processed under this law. This particular law, which has been brought in, gives a lot of power to the police in the state, because earlier when we had seen that when police used to arrest people who were involved in the malpractice, they used to go off very easily because of proper law not being there. But this time around, people who would be responsible or held responsible, they would not be entitled to bail. They have made it non-bailable, and also it is non-compoundable, which means that any person who is responsible to harm an individual or a society cannot make a compromise outside the police station. And also the imprisonment has been made from 3 years imprisonment to a maximum of 10 years, and a fine of ₹1 crore will be imposed. So these are the tight sections which this particular act will bring in to curb with the present situation. Meanwhile, the BJP in fact also have attacked the Congress party, stating that over the years we have seen that when the Congress party has been targeting the BJP government over their failure, but why hasn't the Congress party during their tenure brought an act that would actually solve this particular problem? So the war of words is going on. Meanwhile, it is the students who have been working hard day and night for these examinations. They are the ones who are suffering because of the exam postponement that we are currently seeing. But from the center, it has been very much clear that their first priority is to make sure that the lives of the student as well as the youth are not compromised, and the youth of the country are the first priority.